Princess Jen. Folks, some folks have never seen a coconut tree. So this is a coconut tree. See, I get so much coconuts on the tree. That's the coconut tree. Now I'm going to try to pick one. Coconut. Now I'm going to cut and open it so you could see what it is. Coconut. It is very sweet. Coconut. And guys, you could take piece of the spoon. See this? You make a spoon out of the coconut itself. And you remove the inside. The jelly, here you go. You eat the jelly. I've just showed you how to pick, cut, and drink a coconut. Thanks for watching, guys. See you all soon. Tastes good.